Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2021 71 plate Ford Puma 1 litre EcoBoost ST line. Now this is a lovely car finished in Desert Island Blue, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. ST line obviously gives you the full aggressive body styling, so nice pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice flared side skirts. You get a larger alloy wheel on this one as well, LED daytime running lights. This is a very pretty looking car. So externally, lots of gloss black detailing. So coming through to the front bumper, we've got the gloss black centre grille, we've got the nice aggressive lower splitter, all colour coordinated, more gloss black detailing in the sides. Then we've got our LED daytime running lights just above that. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these lovely 18-inch 5 twin spoke alloys. They're finished in a lovely sort of satin black with the diamond turned outer edge. Nice sporty wheel arches as well, colour coded. More gloss black detailing on your side skirts. Coming up then, privacy glass, black detailing around your windows. But paintwork wise, a nice car as well. Coming through to the back, we've got the Puma badging in the gloss black. EcoBoost hybrid, so this is a 1 litre EcoBoost PHEV, so with the mild hybrid. Parcel shelf is there. We've got the original tailored floor mats which go into the floor hooks. The boot floor is fully adjustable, so can be lowered to give you more boot space. Then looking through to the back again, as you can tell, you've got miles more space under there as well. Tyre inflation kit. But a pretty looking car. Alloys are in nice order. They're riding on very nice tyres. Obviously the car's still yet to go through our preparation process. So it goes through our workshops, goes through a full 128 point inspection. From there, if anything's required servicing wise, MOT wise, we always get it sorted as well. Now, poking our heads inside, we get a lovely half leather and cloth sports interior, contrasting red stitch all throughout the car as well. So looking at the bolsters, looking at the seat base, they're all in nice order. Looking at the multifunction steering wheel, you've got the red stitch which follows through, red detailing all in the vents, carbon fibre effect detailing. It's a very sporty looking car inside. Just before we jump inside, let's have a look through to the rear seats. So in the back as well, you can tell barely been used. 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. All the netting's intact. It's not fraying away and stretched. Now, let's jump inside. So, once you're inside the car, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. Now on there is your cruise control, your speed limiter, volume and media controls, all the controls for the display up ahead. You've got voice command as well. Automatic lights, wipers are on the stalk, lane departure warning, that's on the stalk. Now as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 33,449 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Nice virtual cockpit as well, so obviously once you've got your SAT-NAV up, that will go up on there. Now big factory option is the Bang & Olufsen surround sound system. So if we come through to the centre display, obviously all this is touchscreen, so you can go through swiping your finger. Apple CarPlay, valet mode, display, Wi-Fi, Bang & Olufsen sound, so you can adjust the bass, the treble of the speakers. Radio is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. Click through to phone, mobile apps. You've got full phone connectivity on this car as well. Satellite navigation. Climate control with air conditioning, heated front screen, 6-speed manual transmission, 12-volt power outlet, USB port. We've got wireless charging on this phone, on this car as well. Drive select, traction control, auto stop start. And then another nice feature which you don't really think about is the center armrest. It makes those longer journeys nice and easy. USB Type-C connection in there. But a lovely car. So it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in. Doesn't smell of any sort of pets. So if you'd like any further information on the car, if you've got a part exchange, if you require finance, we've got some fantastic PCPs on these cars. We've got some fantastic hire purchases. So if you need anything further, give us a call, 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.